I became a blind lawyer in GTA 5 RP, and today we need to defend this client from a bribery charge. Like and subscribe for more.
What's in these top secret files here?
Let me have a look. It's
How are you gonna have a look when you're blind?
Yeah, that's fucked up. You're asking the blind guy to
Did
read?
you hear that? He's asking me to read these files.
You're sick in the head, man.
It's fucked up, man.
You know Braille or no?
I'm going.
I was just blinded yesterday. Okay, listen, man. I'm not that quick with it.
He's a newborn blind. Give him some time, okay?
Hey, how you go blind?
It's Jason King. Oh, Jason Gioso King's fault. His girlfriend backed into me and crushed me.
Damn, she's
She
that
blew
big?
my back out. My back out.
Why y'all locking up? Oh my god!
Damn. Oh my god. Oh, my back. My back.
Mainly not news.
I'll have you know, since you've been blind, I've been on a diet.
Oh, is that true?
All right, guys,
I don't think it's working.
About a minute left on the timer, and then we'll have
It's
Talon come
fucked
take
up,
over.
man.
Fucked up.
Hey, blind lawyer. Do you have witnesses?
Do I have what?
He does, you just can't see him.
Over this way. Someone
Sorry. Oh.
over here. Yeah.
Yeah. What would you say?
Okay, now, lower your
You
tone.
just fucking whistling at the blind guy, and I'm the fucked up one? Nah, that's fucked, man. You calling him like a damn dog.
Oh, sorry. Hang
So
on.
much content. I love the fact that I made him blind. Sorry. What was your question? What? Okay. Now that's fucked up.
Your Honor, the state brings before you the case of Xavier Romas committing the act of bribery in an attempt to sway the game warden from holding him accountable due to an interaction that Xavier had with a judge. The game warden stumbled upon Xavier and the judge conversing, which was told from the judge, the game warden will deal with you. The game warden began conversation. Xavier Romas attempted to slide the game warden and hand over a valuable ring and say, we don't have to worry about this. The game warden, sworn to his duty, did not accept this bribe, placed Xavier under arrest, and the state firmly believes through the testimony and the evidence today that all three burdens will be hit for bribery. And by the end of this, Xavier Romas will be found guilty of bribery per the penal code of this great state of San Andreas.
Thank you, counsel. Moves it over to the defense. Your opening.
Thank you, Your Honor. Where's it? I stand. Where do I stand again? Sorry, I'm adjusting to
Just
my.
right there in
Is
the
this
middle.
okay?
You can move around as need be.
All right, perfect. All right. Good day, Your Honor. Thank you for your time and attention. Now, this case right here is not about corruption, influence, or an attempt to gain special treatment. Your Honor, at its heart, this case is about a misunderstanding. The prosecution will ask you to believe that Xavier Romas, the defendant, intentionally bribed the game warden, Mr. Cassidy, Colt Cassidy, by presenting him with a piece of jewelry, a gift. They will ask you to conclude that this gift was not a gesture of goodwill, but rather an attempt to improperly influence a public official.
Welcome to every court case.
The evidence, however, will show otherwise. Now, as the court is aware, the burden of proof rests entirely upon the prosecution. Mr. Romas enters this courtroom presumed innocent. He is not required to prove his innocence. Instead, the prosecution must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Mr. Romas knowingly and intentionally offered a bribe with the expectation of receiving a benefit, favor, or advantage in return. The defense does not dispute that Mr. Romas gave the game warden Cassidy a gift.
Objection, Your Honor. Is defense counsel stupid?
What? I was quiet during
Well,
your
in
opening
general, I wouldn't allow it in the opening statement, but he does bring a valid point.
statement. What?
It's okay. You got this. You got this.
Okay. Thank you for the pep talk. All right. Now, the defense does not dispute that Mr. Romas gave game warden Cassidy a gift. The fact is not in question. The question before his court is why the gift was given. Was it given with corrupt intent? Was there a reason for request favorable treatment, or was there an expectation of personal, legal, or financial gain? The evidence will show that the answer to those questions is no. You will hear Mr. Romas never requested anything from Game Warden Cassidy. He did not ask for leniency. He did not seek special treatment. He did not attempt to influence any action. The gift was given without demand, expectation, or condition attached to it. For those reasons, we respectfully request and ask that you return the only verdict supported by the evidence, not guilty. Thank you, Your Honor.
Are you okay?
Oh, God.
Our first witness, we would call the defendant Xavier Ramos.
Right, all right, Mr. Romash. What is your matter?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under the pain and penalty of perjury, so help you? SBS News, the #1 upcoming news channel in all of San Andreas.
I do.
God bless. You sworn in, Your Honor.
Thank you, Bailiff. Counsel, you can proceed with questioning.
Mr. Omas, state your name, occupation, or lack thereof for the record.
Xavier Romas, owner of Meta Records and musician.
That's my man's.
Mr. Omas, were you badgering a judge in the courtroom on the date of June 1st, 2026?
No.
Were you attempting to flirt with a pink-eared justice on June 1st, 2026?
No.
What is your relationship with Delana Bright?
Acquaintance?
Can I object, Your Honor? What's the relevance behind the relationship?
The relevance I'm
foundation,
trying
Your
to
Honor.
establish. Foundation.
All
It's
right.
not that hard to understand.
Yeah, gentlemen, I see the relevance in this whole thing because this is all about him going to a judge and establishing the relationship there. So, overruled. Go ahead.
Mr. Omas, do you have a wife?
Yes.
Do you often talk to unsuspecting female judges in courtrooms while having a wife?
Oh my
No.
God.
So this was new for you.
I mean, I talk to a lot of people.
Was this outside the norm for you to talk to an unsuspecting female judge in the courtroom while having a wife?
No. No, this was not outside the norm.
So you do this often then?
Well, as I stated before, I talk to a lot of people.
Objection, Your Honor. The witness is hostile. He has contradicted testimony in the last 3 questions. He told me that he doesn't do this, and now
I
he
tend
says
to
it's not
agree,
outside the
yes.
norm.
He has contradicted himself. I'll give you one chance, Mr. Xavier. If you keep contradicting your own testimony, I will treat you as a hostile witness.
Any of you guys got a drink? I am hemorrhaging.
Decline.
No.
Brother,
Okay.
I don't have
Now, Mr. Omas,
Yes, sir.
what was the context of your conversation with the unsuspecting female judge in the courthouse on June 1st, 2026?
We were discussing the ongoing court case that we were both witnessing happen in front of our eyes.
So you were talking about legal actions that the judge was taking or taking part in, witnessing in the courthouse.
There was a court case ongoing. I arrived late. I was getting filled in on what the court case was about.
Right. So you consulted a court staff about the contents of the case. Yes or no?
Yes.
Thank you. So being aware that this was a judge, you still engaged, based on witness testimony, in threatening her with your fists?
No.
What was the matter of which you rose your fist to this judge?
I was getting a little antsy and, I was trying to stretch and I accidentally punched her in the face.
So you punched the judge in the face.
Kind of, sort of. They did make contact, yes.
Oh my God.
So the person that you knew that was a judge that you were consulting in their official duties, you punched in the face. At that time, did the judge make any comment or statement?
Yes.
What was this, Mr. Ramos?
This man tends to be his own.
Be careful or the game warden will handle you.
How did you take that comment?
I said, I'm sorry. And then we started working it out.
At that point, did the game warden approach you? The game warden being me?
Yes.
What did the game warden say to you?
Are you harassing this lady?
Okay. And what was your response?
No, sir. Sorry, sir. We're not going to have any problems. And I handed you a...
Did you say that, or did you say we don't have to worry about this? Quote, end quote.
I said, sorry, sir. We're not going to have any problems. And I handed you a gift.
Your Honor, fuck you.
What?
Fuck you, Your Honor.
What?
Fuck
God,
you,
why?
Your
What
Honor.
the fuck?
Fuck you, you dirty
What the fuck?
fucking bitch.
What did
Fuck
I
you, you
do?
stupid idiot. You corrupt piece of shit. Fuck you.
What the?
Mr. Cassidy, I will hold you in
Fuck
contempt.
you and your
I will
stupid
hold
fucking
you in
spaghetti
contempt.
nipples.
What the fuck is happening?
Well,
What
we're
the
getting
fuck
this
you,
is
Your
correct.
Honor?
That's
Fuck you.
Wait up.
Fuck you, Your Honor.
Wait, maybe
Fuck
he's
you,
leaving
Your Honor.
something.
Where did
Someone
the
get
bailiff
him a
go?
Tylenol or
Fuck
something.
you, Your Honor. And fuck your bailiff, too. Fuck both of you. Fuck all three of you.
Mr.
Hey, don't
Cassidy,
fuck the
all-
bailiff. He's a sweetheart.
completely
Hold on.
inappropriate in this courtroom.
We don't have to worry about this, Your Honor.
Wait, Your Honor, I object to this theatrical.
What are you
this
objecting
isn't the
to?
Same. This is nearly the same thing that happened.
What are you talking about? Your Honor. We don't have to worry about this, right?
Well, we do have to worry about this, but I do get the point you're making, Mr. Cassidy.
So you didn't think that while handing
Hi,
jewelry to the game
Sparkles.
warden, Mr. Omos, that wouldn't constitute what could be perceived as a bribe that your defense counsel even would object to?
I would object to that question, Your Honor. He said that. He just said
On what
constitute. He just said constitute to what could be a bribe. That's speculation.
No. You can continue.
What was the question?
I said, so you don't constitute what you did as a bribe despite your own defense counsel objecting as such just a moment ago.
No, I objected to
No.
the theatrics. I didn't object to.
So in which way did you interpret you handing jewelry to an official who's about to arrest you while a judge who you knew was acting in her official capacity was punched in the face in front of you and had warned you of another official that would take care of you? You didn't see that as bribery?
No, I had apologized to you, to her, and I was apologizing to you for causing a scene in the courtroom that you had to deal with.
By handing me jewelry?
Yeah, it's an apology. It's a gift.
So, right. So you offered me a gift.
I didn't offer you a gift. I said, here, I'm
What was the
sorry," and I
purpose of
handed
your
you the gift.
apology?
Because you had to deal with my obscene behavior in a courtroom.
Right. And the purpose of the apology was to not have to go to jail or potentially for the situation to escalate. Is that correct?
Objection, Your Honor. I asked and
No.
answered. He's
Okay,
already-
then what
he's
was the
already
purpose
answered.
of an apology then?
The purpose of the apology was to say, I'm sorry that you had to deal with my obscene behavior and that I'm not going to cause any more issues.
I'd like to
No.
object to this line of questioning. He's already asked him what the purpose of the gift was, and he's stated it multiple times.
And we're asking for clarification, Your Honor. He is contradicting himself with his original statement to apologize. To apologize is to rectify, Your Honor. And now he is denying that he compensated or tried to rectify the situation in any way, when he himself said that it was for an apology.
Do the thing where you fix
All right,
everything.
I'm gonna overrule. Mr. Xavier, please answer the question and give a clear answer.
This.
What's the question?
What
Sorry.
is going on?
Mr. Romas, why are you contradicting yourself?
Objection, argumentative.
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Yeah, but I agree, but I'm gonna overrule because it is getting to
You've
that point.
overruled every
Mr.
one
Ramos,
of my
answer the
objections.
question.
What was the question?
Why are you being argumentative?
I'm not being argumentative, sir.
Okay, did you apologize or did you not?
I did apologize to you, as I also apologized to the judge.
With a gift?
Well, I didn't apologize to her with a gift.
No. Who did you apologize to with a gift?
You, because you seemed very upset, and I wanted to show you that I was being very sincere with my apology.
You were apologizing but weren't attempting to rectify the situation.
I was trying to calm everything down and show you that I'm being sincere with my apology.
Holiday, this fucking guy, I can't.
Excellent.
No, man.
I'm losing my mind. Glitch is fumbling right now.
Did you expect to get
Kenshi,
arrested after
Kenshi,
handing
what
me a
the
gift?
fuck is going on here?
He's blocking all my objections. I can't really do much.
No, I wasn't expecting to get arrested
Oh.
in the first place.
Your turn.
We didn't do it. He was too
Did he just sub him in?
Mr.
we just
What is this,
Cassidy,
WWE?
Fuck you,
tag
Mr.
team?
Ramos. candidly, fuck you.
What? Your Honor, objection.
Mr. Cassidy, that's out of line. I let the first one slip because I saw the theatrics you were doing. One more
Glitch,
outburst
who
like
said
We
that,
don't have
I'm
to
gonna
worry
hold
about
you
that,
to
Your
consent.
Honor.
Your Honor,
What? Catchy, you gotta say. Catchy, say something.
Fuck you, Glitch.
what am I supposed to say to that?
I don't know.
Yeah,
Do
Mr.
something, man.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Romas,
Yes, sir.
did you intend to go to jail on that day?
No, I don't think anyone does.
You didn't want to go to jail.
Well, I mean, if it
Objection
happened,
answered.
it happened.
Austin answered.
He answered it again.
Okay, I'll do it again.
Alright.
Fuck you, Mr. Ramos.
Keep going.
Yeah, Your Honor.
Mr. Cassidy, that's
I was
consent.
paid to do it. You just saw your own
When
eyes.
and
Your Honor.
where?
I was
No, no,
paid
that-
by the
that
court
is
clerk to do
consent.
it.
That is $500 consent.
We don't have to worry about this, Your Honor.
Oh my
I know we all
God,
gotta worry
Kenchi,
about this.
Kenchi, say something. Kenchi.
Can we dismiss this?
Your Honor.
Whoa.
Your Honor, we
Give this guy like 50.
moved to strike the
I was
game.
paying my contempt charge.
He's now bribing the judge.
Further questions with him? Getting
Thank you.
redirect.
Counsel your cross.
Thank you, Your Honor. Hello, Xavier. How are you doing today?
I'm chilling. How's it going?
Oh, you're over here. Oh, sorry. Okay. Right. So, Xavier, what was your intention behind giving the ring to the game warden?
To apologize and show sincerity of my apology.
Were you impressed with how quick he reacted?
His reflexes are amazing.
Were you gonna be arrested?
I don't believe so.
Did he at any point say that he was gonna place you under arrest, throw you in prison, send you to Bolingbrook for your despicable actions, allegedly?
No.
Okay. Did the judge that you spoke to file an official complaint with the game warden?
I don't believe so.
So, if you were to give a bribe, what would be the point?
To persuade someone not to do something?
Right, but if the game warden wasn't going to do something either way because no official complaint was filed and he didn't mention that you were going to be arrested, would there have been a point for a bribe?
No.
And how often do you give gifts?
Daily. Many times a day.
You enjoy gift giving?
Yes.
You would call yourself the Santa Claus of Los Santos?
100%.
So your kind heart saw that the game warden was doing his job and you wanted to reward him for it. Is that what I'm understanding?
Yes.
While also apologizing for your unruly behavior, correct?
Correct.
All right. No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I have redirect.
Redirect, yes.
In your cross, you stated an answer to your counsel that you intended to impact and reward, I believe, the behavior and impact the behavior of the game warden.
Objection. Never said anything about impacting the behavior.
Well, handing over a gift would be influencing, Your Honor.
That's
I'm gonna overrule
subjective.
for now.
What? That's not what I
What
said.
exactly is the question?
Mr. Ramos, the gifts that you hand over, these random gifts claiming to be the Santa Claus of Los Santos, do you intend to make people happy when they receive those gifts?
I like making people happy, yes.
And when you hand those gifts over to folks, you do it with the intent of improving their day, helping their behavior.
Not changing their behavior, but maybe making their day a little bit better.
Nice.
Okay. So you
Yeah,
are
so-
attempting to adjust the mind state and emotional state of the people who receive gifts from you.
Objection. Asked and answered.
As to make their day better, I'm now asking a question if he intends to improve their emotional state and mind state.
Hey, that was the
I'm
exact
gonna-
same question as before.
I don't need arguments. I'm gonna overrule. Answer the question.
That is a side effect of what I do, yes.
From your experience as a gift giver, when you give gifts to people, they tend to treat you better.
50-50.
We're so losing this case.
Most of the time they like they kind of like dog on me for it. They're like, can't afford anything better than this, and then they like kind of bully me for it.
We're so cooked.
And do you feel good when you give these gifts?
Yes, I feel like I am paying kindness forward.
Okay. And giving these gifts makes you feel like a good person comparative to, say, someone who is not giving gifts to people.
Well, I mean, what exactly is the question?
Given the gifts, do you feel like you are a good person or comparatively better than someone who is not giving gifts to people?
I don't know about being better than someone who doesn't give gifts, but it makes me feel good. Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I can try something. Also, Glitch, I'm gonna be real with you. This case is cooked. I'm sorry.
Yeah, Glitch, this is I mean, this is giving me flashbacks, I'm not gonna lie. This
Wait,
is
what?
like-
Why is it cooked?
This judge
bad.
No one's cooked anything.
This judge is bending me over and fucking me on this table right here. Defense would like to motion to add a character witness. I know this is usually unorthodox, but the state has called into question the character of Mr. Romas. I'd like to introduce a character witness as to his state of mind whenever he gives these gifts out.
Gonna deny this at this point.
Fuck.
Outside of discovery, and simply to be a character not pertinent to the charges at hand, his character is not at question. It is what he did and whether that constitutes bribery or not.
Understood,
No,
Your
I'm
Honor.
not going to allow it at this point. Mr. Cassidy, if you want to take the stand, go right ahead.
This is so cooked.
Or
There's
Your Honor,
nothing
I need to
can-
keep the streak alive.
None of the objections I'm going for. None of these. I don't know, man.
He ain't even listening to you.
No, Your Honor, I cannot swear on that. The Rangers cannot have BBLs.
I have to agree with that.
That's not what I saw earlier. That lady.
I mean, it is your
Well,
department.
this
You make
judge
the
is like
rules.
sucking him off right now. What the fuck is happening here?
Yeah.
Ew. Fine, I swear to it.
He's doing tricks on it.
Thank you. All right, counsel, your question.
Alrighty. For the record, can you please state your name and occupation?
Game Warden Cassidy. I am a park ranger and the warden of the parks.
Game Warden Cassidy, do you recall the event in question today?
I recall it.
Based on your recollection, what was the initial indicator that drew you to this event?
The judge screaming that she was going to get me to arrest Mr. Romas or deal with him because he had just punched her in the face as I walked by.
Arrest and deal are two very different things.
Yep.
And did you observe Mr. Romas punching her in the face?
Yeah, distantly. I was coming in the doors.
And as you approached Mr. Romas and the judge, what did you see and hear?
I saw him try to convince her not to bring me up, even taunt her at one point, actually. And then that's when I turned around. And then I threatened to arrest Mr. Romas.
Wait, did he?
And what did Mr. Romas then do?
No, he never
He
threatened to
handed
arrest
me
him.
jewelry. And
He
then
asked
said,
me
"We
if I
don't
was
have to worry about
harassing
this."
this
And then
lady.
turned back around.
I said,
Ignore
no,
my
I'm not harassing a lady.
Fuck, dude, this is so cooked.
Did you accept this offering from Mr. Romas?
He shoved it in my hand.
And what specifically did he force upon you there?
I said,
I think it might have been a watch. I can't recall for sure. It was a piece of jewelry of some type, though.
Would you say it was
No, I am
an item of value?
actively, I'm
Oh, yeah.
actively starving to
Absolutely.
death. I can't even afford food because of this warrant. I'm in debt last night.
And then after
I
you
don't
stated
need food. I need
you made an
drink, too.
attempt.
Oh, well, it's
to,
okay. I'm gonna eat it anyway.
Can you please repeat what your exact words were that he stated to you?
We don't have to worry about this.
Can we
I
can we
flicked that in
motion to
his
treat
head,
this
Your Honor.
judge as hostile?
Dude, I'm telling you, I'm getting fucked.
We should motion to treat the judge as hostile.
Sorry, you guys can continue. Apologies for that. I'm good now.
And after Mr. Ramos made that statement to you, what did you do next?
Where are these coming from?
Well, I then told him I was going to arrest him for trying to bribe me, and then he made some other sarcastic quips that I can't quite remember, as is his MO. And then he was arrested and brought into the cells, where he made a much bigger deal of this than it needed to be, as is his and also his MO at this point. I call Mr. Ramos a chronic complainer, a Walmart connoisseur, so to speak.
A Karen.
What? Your Honor.
I would never, Your Honor.
Objection. Are you sure a bias here, Your Honor?
There's no bias.
Motion the judge to be treated as hostile.
And what do you mean by make a bigger deal out of this?
Well, I mean, complain, get a lawyer,
There's been bribery this entire time.
keep
too, like,
claiming not guilty despite continuing to taunt and
Okay, I'm
make fun of the situation.
I'm
It's just Mr.
not
Ramos'
thirsty and I'm still
specialty. Whether we
hemorrhaging.
got him in the cells, the ranger station, or up here at the courthouse, he just complains about his return that he's never going to get.
Don't worry, I'm gonna have to object to relevance here.
he just likes his arm tattoo, I guess.
Overruled,
I feel
that
like
is
that'd be
highly
really painful to
relevant.
get your body
That is
tattooed.
establishing a
What is this, the
pattern of
judge?
behavior.
I get it, but the whole fucking chest.
Go ahead.
Based on your experience as the game warden, would his actions following the arrest be similar to someone who would have attempted to bribe you and fail?
Yes, it was my interpretation fully that he was attempting to bribe me and failing to do so. I have experience with this after the mayor tried to fillet me for dropping charges against him.
He what?
I took a freaking picture.
Wait, the mayor did what?
They do look a little too small, don't they?
You say tried to or was successful?
Tried to. This is found in court.
He gave him a king's blessing.
And was the mayor found guilty on that attempt on you?
Yes.
So it is safe to say, based on experience and court record, that you do have an experience in individuals attempting to bribe you.
Yeah, I think I have a lot of experience in this at this point.
I'm just
People try to
gonna.
bribe me all over the place.
I'm not even.
I don't accept. Even though Judge Luna at one point said that you can't be charged with government corruption for the attempt to fillet me in my office to get out of charges, I needed to accept. So that's why I didn't initially give it back to Mr. Ramos, is because, well,
when you
I knew I
cross
had to
him,
keep it to put in evidence,
ask if
number
he
one.
enjoyed
And number two, I knew that now was the proper procedure
100%
found in the law because of the goth judge, Morgan Luna.
You know what? Maybe I should return him.
You can't return him. He's probably got, he's homecoming.
Game warden, is there anything from this particular incident that stands out to you that you would like to add?
You're already fattening him up, aren't you?
It's possible that Mr. Ramos also would have attempted to fillet me if it was in my office, because
Object
that's
to
just
that
the MO
speculation.
of people who are attempting to bribe me constantly.
Objection, Your Honor. That's pure speculation, and he's besmirching the good name of my defendant.
It's gonna be on a donut only.
All
He
right.
tried to
Overruled.
besmirch my good name.
He's overruled that
Oh,
as
Mr.
well.
Cassidy,
I guess at
it's
least
not your time to answer.
Dude, he overruled
It's
that one as
overruled.
well. This
It
is
has
good.
been established that Mr. Cassidy is an expert
Don't
on
worry about it.
relating in the office.
Every time I look at Dad, he's getting shit out.
He does have experience. He can answer that.
Is he paying
Thank you for your brave testimony today, Game Warden. That's all I have at this time. You sure
He's very brave, very
Thank you
brave.
for your service.
Oh, that's his. That's the pretty.
Cross, Your Honor.
I think that's what she calls him.
Yeah, go ahead.
How you doing, Game Warden?
I'm doing fine.
Are you sure? You sound a little bit aggressive there.
No, I'm just being loud because I know you're having trouble hearing. Because of your accident?
Are you? I'm clearly.
Mr. Kenshi,
okay with
don't
my hearing.
shout at the witness.
What?
Please, don't raise your voice.
It's okay, Mr. Kenshi. Can you hear me?
I can hear just fine. I'm not deaf.
Your Honor, can we please have some decorum from the council here?
Mr. Kenshi, if you shout out the witness again, I will hold you in contempt.
Oh, sorry, Your Honor.
He just squared up to me.
Oh, I thought you were blind.
I can hear when someone's coming at me
All right,
aggressively.
all right. That's enough. Ask your questions, Kenshi.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Cassidy, how many times have you been filleted?
Objection,
Well,
Scope.
Can we phone your mother?
Oh, actually, I withdraw that objection.
Yeah, overruled. I'm interested in this answer.
My mother is not in question here, Mr. Cassidy.
Well, based on that question, she is.
Okay, I'll ask this. Have you ever been given a gift before?
Yes, by your client, a gift of a bribe.
Oh, but it is a gift, right? That you interpreted as a bribe. Did you tell him
Well,
at any point?
by the
before
very
arresting him?
definition. Which question am I answering?
I was just gonna finish the question. Did you tell him at any point before arresting him that you were not accepting this bribe, and if he tried again, you would arrest him?
I told him not to bribe me.
And did he say, "Oh, it's okay, take it," or did you just arrest him without a how do you do?
Well, luckily for you, counselor, even though Chris King didn't say those exact words either, he also was found guilty of bribery.
That's not my question, sir. Please answer the question. Did you arrest him without telling him?
No,
that
he
this-
did not beg me to take the bribe. He just forcefully shoved it into my hand.
Well, so at what point did you say that you were not taking his bribe?
I said it immediately and then went to arrest him, in which he went and gave a bunch of sarcastic squibs.
Okay. Did you at any point mention that you were going to arrest him?
Yes, I just said that, counselor. Would you like for me to say it louder again?
Yeah, please. Yeah, I'm having trouble hearing that.
Yes, I said I was going to arrest him because he attempted to bribe me immediately.
Well, what about before the alleged bribe? Did you say you were going to arrest him?
Yes, came up to warn him that I was going to arrest him for hitting the judge.
Are you sure you didn't come and ask what was going on? You immediately went and asked him, "Hey, I'm gonna arrest
I said, what's going on? She said, and then I said I was going to arrest him, and then he bribed me.
Wait, hold on. You just ate up a lot of that testimony. You said, what's going on? She said. What did she say?
She said he was attempting to hit her, and then had hit her.
But you just said a moment ago that you said you were going to arrest him first. I mean, are you?
Your Honor, I'm going to
confusing
object
me?
this line of question. He's attempting to cook, but the gas ain't on the stove.
All right. You know what? I'm going to sustain. At this point, we're going in circles with all of this. This is getting way too long and way all coming back to the same things already asked, already answered. Counsel, if you have no other questions that are relevant or new information to this case, I'm going to call this into recess and I'll be out with a ruling in 10 minutes.
Your Honor, the prosecution had it like, I've only been on cross for not even 5 minutes, Your Honor. All right, I have a few other questions. And then we won't be going around in circles. Game Warden, when you arrested Mr. Ramos, did he at any point during that arrest try to tell you that it was not a bribe?
Yeah, as most guilty people do when they're trying to get out of an arrest.
Did he tell you what the gift was for?
No, but he implied it.
When you say implied it, what do you mean?
We don't have to worry about that.
So he didn't apologize before at all for his unruly behavior?
At some point he did, after the fact. But then he doubled and tripled down.
So it is your testimony today that he did not try to apologize before the arrest while giving you the gift?
Not to my recollection, counselor.
All right. No further questions, Your Honor.
Fuck you, Roma.
Any other...
Your
Mr.
Honor.
Cassidy, I did warn you if that happens
We
again.
don't have to worry about that.
That's going to be an additional contempt charge. I'm upping it to 1,000.
We don't have to worry
The
about
next
that.
one, I'll put time on that contempt as well.
Yeah, stop his head in.
No, get over here. Stop falling away. I got you.
Counsel, did you attack your client?
Yeah, Your Honor.
He did. I saw him reaching, Your Honor.
Just hold me. Hold me.
It's okay. We can hold our hands here as this happens.
Plaintiff, is there any other witnesses you wish to bring up? Well, state.
No, Your Honor. Your Honor, today has come before you a very simple case. Mr. Romas punched a judge. The game warden, seeing this, is attempting to do his job. Mr. Romas handed the game warden what he claims to be a gift. Really, it was a bribe. It was an item of value that was handed from Mr. Romas to the game warden without the game warden's consent or prompting, in an effort to smooth things over. Mr. Romas, through his own testimony, admits that when he gives gifts to people, he intends to improve their mood. It's pretty common. When your mood is improved, you'd make favorable decisions. There's a clear intent to influence the behavior of the game warden. The person who had just told Mr. Romas that he would be arresting him for the actions that was taken. Mr. Romas parted ways with an item of value that the game warden placed in evidence in an effort to gain not only personal, not only legal, but also financial advantage through that, attempting to not be arrested for the actions he had taken, to avoid the consequences of striking that judge, to save the fines and times that would come with incarceration following the actions. Today, the defense has attempted to say that Mr. Romas is the Santa Claus of Los Santos, that he gives gifts to make people happy.
Ho, ho, ho.
But in reality, Mr. Romas gives gifts to people so they may treat him better. Through his own testimony, he admitted that most people he gives gifts to bully him and make fun of him for it. And in his actions, to buy their appreciation, to trade tokens of value for their acceptance. This here is another attempt, Your Honor, of Mr. Romas attempting to influence the behavior and buy some acceptance and forgiveness from an officer of the law to avoid the consequences of the actions taken by Mr. Romas. We believe that per the burdens of this charge, as well as the testimony here today, that Mr. Romas, in a panicked effort to save his own ass, attempted to bribe the game warden. And thankfully, due to the game warden's expertise of recognizing bribes, was able to not only maintain the evidence in a full chain of custody, but not allow the bribe to impact his decision and move to fully hold Mr. Romas accountable under the law. We would ask these courts find him guilty.
Thank you. Defense, your closing statement.
Just on the, ow! Oh, excuse me, Your Honor. Oh,
You got this. You got this. You
Mr.
got
Kenshi,
Oh,
I got him. I gotta give your statement.
are you intoxicated in my courtroom?
no, Your Honor, I'm blind.
Over here.
And again, your client is on the floor.
I didn't know that, Your Honor. I can't
thank
see
you.
him.
All right, consider me with the show.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sitting in the chair.
Are you
We're all
okay?
good.
Are you okay? Romas, are you okay?
Yeah, I just. Well.
This is gonna be alright.
I'm okay.
It's gonna be okay. Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen of the court, the prosecution today would have you believe through testimony that any act of kindness or gift giving towards an officer of the law constitutes as a bribe. That have you believe that my client, Mr. Romas, the Santa Claus of Los Santos, that is on the record, by the way, who enjoys giving gifts to people to make them happy, even though
Thank you.
sometimes they will make fun of him for it. That doesn't sway him, because he gives them out of the kindness of his heart. His intentions were shown today, that the gift that he gave the game warden was to show him how much he appreciated his quick response and how much he was sorry that he had to intervene in the unruly behavior he saw today. Now, the judge did not file a formal complaint or wish Mr. Romas arrested. That is evident by the fact that he is not charged with assault. The game warden did not intend or did not show Mr. Romas, the defendant, intention to arrest him, as per Mr. Romas's testimony. He was only showing that he was getting involved, and Mr. Romas apologized and gave him a reward. If anything, he was telling the game warden what a good boy he was for responding so quickly and effortlessly. And come on, who doesn't want to be rewarded like a good boy? If anything, Your Honor, the defense feels sorry for prosecution and for the officers of the law. Who doesn't want to be rewarded for being a good boy? I feel sorry as a defense counsel that for the officers of the law that they can't accept a simple gift for their good hard work, that they have to be stoic, otherwise they have to charge everyone with a bribe. Your Honor, the burdens of proof were not met here. Mr. Romas was not trying to influence the decision of the game warden. He did not expect anything in return from the game warden, and he wasn't even under the impression that the game warden was going to do anything to him. So what would the point of a bribe be if at that point he wasn't told, hey, you're gonna be arrested, or hey, you are under arrest, unless you give me something real quick. That is all, Your Honor. We hope that you find the true verdict of not guilty. Thank you.
In this case, there was never a question brought into doubt about whether Mr. Romas handed something over to the game warden. That was affirmed by both sides of this case. The question brought in was the intent behind what Mr. Romas did. Now, looking at the statements and the testimony given today on the stand, I have two witnesses testifying to the exact same thing, which is, and I quote, when the warden started questioning him, Glitch said, hey, don't worry about it. He then stealthily put something in his hands and handed it over to the warden. Additionally, we have another statement. When I approached the judge, said he
Your Honor,
his
the
fist up
LSPD is
to-
breaching the peace of the courthouse.
Oh, protect us, warden.
I have a sworn order. Back up.
He's getting rid of a gun.
Turn around, sir.
Police on police violence. I love this.
Been given an order by the
Can we
judge,
motion
sir.
to treat the warden as hostile?
Really? You think this judge will accept that motion?
Turn around.
I don't know. It's worth a
Lab,
try.
Let's be real. You just saw him sucking the warden off for like 10 minutes. You think he's gonna...
Oh yeah, I bet he did.
God. Oh,
Yeah,
I bet he
Mr.
was one of the
Cassidy
ones.
Yeah, Mr. Cassidy is a
Oh shit!
a professional fellatio.
Oh, he knocked him out.
Oh, Your Honor!
Does this mean I'm free to go?
Your Honor!
Let's go, game warden. You're under arrest.
I was operating on a judge's order in a courtroom. You're going down, idiot.
You're all right. You're on it.
Oh, you just started.
Hey, can we get to the? I think. Yeah.
I think I'm not guilty.
Please speak up.
Speak up, Your Honor. Speak up. Your Honor.
Your Honor, we
speak up.
can't. Here, speak up.
Alright, ultimately this charge is a preponderance of evidence, not a beyond a reasonable doubt. The defense has brought in no doubt in my mind that Mr. Romas did intend to influence the game warden at the time. As
GGs.
such, I have to uphold the charges and the appeal is denied. That being said, Mr. Romas, you referred to yourself as... What was it?
The Santa Claus of Los Santos.
Santa Claus of the... Yeah. I will be the Grinch in this case. Additionally, Mr. Romas, you are to spend an hour in the mines mining for coal.
What?
And then you
What?
can present that
Damn.
to your little Santa Claus bit that you're putting up.
What?
Can you say that sentence again? That didn't really make sense.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes.
He putting you in the mines with
What
the
the
down and
fuck?
dirty.
Go to the mines for 1 hour.
Woo!
All right, I'll see you guys later.
Run, Xavier! Run!
I'm gonna be honest. If he would have walked over to you and handed you something and said, "We can work this out,"
Oh my God!
I wouldn't even have pressed those charges.
That would have been so funny.
Dead.